So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a winter lantern. So come on with me, guys. Now the Dollar General is carrying this beautiful white ribbon with snowflakes, and it's only $1 a roll. So you definitely want to go over there and get some of these. They're beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and make a bestie bow for my lantern. So I'm only going to cut out I guess I'm only going to cut out about 6 strips. I think that will be enough for this lantern. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now, once I have the number of strips that I want to use on this bow, we're going to go ahead and butterfly the ends. So the actual strips of ribbon, I believe, measured about 18 inches because I like the tails. And so what we're going to do, and here I'm using a chenille stem because I ran out of floral wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold over each ribbon 6 inches, then pinch. Then we'll do the same thing with all the other 6 ribbons. Now, because I'm using the same ribbon for all of them, then all I need to just do is pinch and gather. And we're going to do that. And then we're going to secure it with that chenille stem, tightening it as tight as we can, and then leaving the excess because that's what I'm going to use to attach it to the lantern. Now, I found these snowflakes in my stash and this piece of string here. I was going to use a jute twine, but I found this white rope or this cream color rope. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I decided to go ahead and hot glue the snowflakes to the rope so that it can dangle off the lantern. This is going to look amazing, guys. Just wait. Now, once we finish gluing this, the bow is already done. This is already done. Let's move on over to the lantern. So now this lantern is going to need a good cleaning because I put it on the floor and it's been there for since the last time I had a lantern collaboration. So we need to wipe this down because it gathers dust quickly, and then we're going to go ahead and start decorating. Now, last year I had made these snowflakes. I found them in my stash, and so they're perfect for winter, guys, because I have them painted in blue with some glitter. I think it's going to look amazing in this lantern. So besides the snowflakes, I did find a snowman, and perfect, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and overlay those snowflakes. I'm going to overlay it right across the lantern. So there's one dangling on the other end, and this will hold up the other ones. And this is going to look so beautiful, guys. And then we'll go ahead and attach that bow. Now, I am loving how this turned out. I think it's gorgeous. I don't know if it's because it's the color white. Let's go head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.